Hi, I'm Eric with Energy Pro Windows and Siding, and today we're going to be talking about the importance and how to read the NFRC sticker. Every energy efficient window comes from the manufacturer with one of these stickers on it. When your windows are installed, the installer should point out that the stickers are on the glass. This right here will tell you just how efficient your window is. There's going to be four sections on this sticker. The first one is your U factor. Your U factor for an energy efficient window, depending on the area of the country you're in. In this area, we want to see below, I think it's a 0.32. So this particular window, the U factor is 0.27. What this reading or rating tells us is how much heat will be retained inside the house, and it won't allow it to escape to the outside of the house. So this is going to be very beneficial in the winter times when you're heating your home. The second number that we're looking at here is the solar heat gain coefficient. What this is telling us is how much of the UV that heats up the inside of your home is being reflected to the outside of the window. The lower the number, the better. This one here is at 0.21. This is going to be the more of that heat that is radiated or reflected from your home is going to keep your home cooler in the summertime, and your air conditioning bills will stay down. Then you have the visible transmittance. This allows your window to allow natural light through, so you don't have to have your lights on. Your rooms will be brighter. So you're going to want to have a number somewhere around a 0.5. Finally, we're going to talk about the air leakage. It's going to be at or below 0.3. The air leakage in your window is super important when it comes to energy efficiency. If your windows are leaking air, whether it's from the inside of the house to the out or the outside in, is going to cycle your heating and cooling systems. So you want that window to not leak air. The tighter those windows are, the better for your energy efficiency, and you're going to notice that in your heating and cooling bills. This particular window here is a sunrise window, and from the manufacturer, this window has one of the best air leakage ratings in the nation. This double hung as 0.02. Their casement and their fixtures are 0.01. So when you put these windows in, these windows aren't going to leak, and you're going to immediately notice a difference in your heating and cooling bills in your own personal home.